Now I was talking about working backwards, and that's really important to be able to do that. So what we mean by that is we've got here. Okay, the US exchange rate is New Zealand $1 buys, American 67. You can tell I wrote this last year when the exchange rate was about that. These days it's about 80 cents, which is very exciting if you happen to be about to go to America. You find a book you want for New Zealand dollars, $100 in a local bookshop. Okay, so trot off to Borders. There's this book on manga that you've always wanted. It's got $100 on it, but you think you can get it cheaper online. The postage is US $12. How much must the price be less than in the US dollars to make it worthwhile to buy over the internet? So what you can do is go forwards first. So you say, let P be the price of the book in the United States. The cost to us, and we did this last week, so it's going to be cost equals the price plus $12, because that's the postage. And we're going to divide by 0.67 in order to get it into New Zealand dollars. So that's given us our formula that would get it from there. But the thing is, we actually know P, and what we want to do is we know C and we want to know P, whereas this is if we know P. Yeah. So we need to turn it around. And so this is what rearranging formulas is all about, or solving equations is about in algebra, and this is why you want to do it. So what we do first of all is we multiply everything by 0.7, so that 0.67, and that will turn it back into US dollars. So 0.67 times the cost equals P plus 12. Because if we multiply something divided by 0.67 by 0.67, that's the same as doing nothing to it, like multiplying it by 1. And then we want to get this P on its own, and so to get rid of the 12 here, we need to subtract 12 off both sides. So we have 0.67C minus 12 equals P. Because what we've done there is we've taken off the postage. So to see what price we're interested in, we multiply our $100 by 0.67, which gives us 67 US dollars, so we're just there. Remember C was 100. Then we subtract the postage, which is 12, which gave us US dollars 55. So if we can find a book on the internet, the same book, for less than $55 US, then it's worth us buying it then. That's only taking into account the monetary aspect. There are other reasons why we might want to get it from Borders anyway. One is that we might be trying to support the bookshop so it doesn't go under. It might be that we want the book now, and so we're prepared to pay a few extra dollars to get it. This is a mathematical model that only shows the mathematical aspects.